Oh.
Woo! I just want to go sleep.
Welcome back to the Exoracing YouTube channel. We're about to wrap another car. This time, it's the Mazda. So the first step is stripping down the car. So we've taken off the old arches because we have some nice new things going on. Taken off the spoiler, and then we'll just give it a quick clean. We've got a new front bumper to put on as well. This is Ollie. He has come down to help wrap the Mazda, as he has a half clue of what he's doing. And as you know from the last video, me and Matthew don't. So he's just about to do the bonnet, but we test fitted the front bumper earlier. It needs a little bit of trimming. It's not too bad though, so hopefully it won't be too long until it's done. The bonnet is done. The bonnet is wrapped. Ollie and Matt have done a good job on that. So we finished putting on the arches now, so they can be wrapped in a bit later on. And they look pretty good from the back. And now we've just finished prepping the boot, so that is next. Let's go. Oh, you came too quick. He came too quick. So it's day 2. Ollie is feeling keen. Roy Keen has already started doing the wing. So we're just going to keep going and smash out as much of the car as we can.
Pain.
But Ollie has been cracking on, and it is properly getting there. Thanks for helping, Ollie.
Anytime.
Thanks for sitting there, Matthew.
It's meant to spit flames. See you later.
These are just held in by self-tappers at the moment, and it just looks a bit my first over fender kit, so probably gonna use riv nuts or bond it on, I'm not sure yet, so see how much time I've got today. So for once in my life, I've done something properly. Kind of wish I didn't do so many now I knew who I was doing riv nuts, but at least it will never come off.
Oh no!
Oh no!
This guy.
We got it on camera.
Oh no! It's right. It's gone, look.
Should I stop filming you? I'm putting you off?
No! Okay. Now we are done. Oh. Woo!
Beige old masterpiece.
You ready to get it on the car?
Yeah, let's go.
That's free photo shoot there.
Gay car. That is gay.
Do this.
Come on now.
That was satisfying, wasn't it?
So what's your favourite thing about wrapping cars?
I get to work on high-end vehicles like this. I don't know, it's just satisfying, isn't it? When it goes right.
So it is now day 5? 4? 5?
4.5 at the moment.
Monday. It's day Monday. So there's some more things going on. Ollie has just wrapped that rear quarter, the over, and we've just put a strip around the edge so it doesn't look weird. We are prepping the roof. The roof is getting done finally at last. We're just painting a few extra bits for the car just to make it all look a little bit nicer when it's finished.
It is, I like you have a week off and ready?
Oh, money!
Wow.
That's mint. Right, we might have to. God. Oh, that's fine.
Go higher up there.
Yeah.
So if you're watching this at home thinking, you know, doesn't look too bad, I might try and wrap my car. I
Don't.
wouldn't. Don't.
Exactly, just don't do the roof.
It just doesn't.
Like every time you shake, it's like, yes, flat, not flat, flat, not flat.
I'm not flat. I will be flat.
I do.
Happy days. That is how you do the Mark 1 MX5 roof, hard top, in one piece. Let's just hope it stays in place. I don't ever want to do this again.
Do what?
Do this roof.
Why?
The roof.
What do you think, Ollie? Would you do it again?
Oh, I'd never do that again.
Why?
That's painful.
You're a professional, you should be saying yes.
I mean, yes. All day, every day.
What do you reckon, Matt?
It's going to look like you're just throwing a hearing aid down the road.
Yeah, it is! Go on, go on. Oh,
There's a
yeah.
nice crease there, though. Should we get rid of that? There we go. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
All gone.
So, what are we doing, Ollie?
Wrapping the rear bumper.
Are you enjoying it?
No.
Ooh!
Oliver!
Oh no!
Tell everyone what have you done?
I haven't.
To everybody watching this on YouTube, we probably should have filmed this beforehand. Ollie was trying to tell us about how badly made this wing mirror is, and then just decided to snap it off.
Look, mate, I know you didn't really want to wrap it, but you didn't have to...
I'm sorry,
Alright, that's fine.
but I'm not sorry.
Let's find a solution.
Hey,
You're gonna have to drill that out.
No, what? You broke it!
I'm not drilling it.
You broke it!
But the thing is now, I don't know how you get that. I don't even know how you get that bolt out because there's only 2 screws there. You can't even look underneath.
I mean, we wouldn't need to know if you didn't break it, would we?
Kim loves me. It's gonna look cool.
Do you reckon?
I promise.
Do you think?
Yes.
I hope so.
I've been here for 5 hours now. 5 hours. And I still haven't finished this bumper.
But you did have McDonald's.
I did have McDonald's. Okay, 4 hours then.
Yeah. But luckily you had loads of salad.
I love salad.
It is exciting, isn't it, Ollie?
I'm like over the moon.
What, over the moon that you get to stop looking at this car every night?
Oh, I'm dying down here. I just want to go home. I want to go sleep.
Hello, YouTube. We proudly present the NHS Hearing Aid Beige MX5.
Jeez. Damn.
What did we do, Ollie?
We've done it.
We did it. What did we did?
We did it. We wrapped a did.
We we did done, wrapped a did.
We did real dear.
What an
What time
emotional
is it?
time. 1:15
1:45.
on day Friday.
On
Day
Friday.
Friday of the second week. And it's all back together. Bam, 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 bam.
Looks magical.
Bam. So it's obviously dark now, but we'll pull it out of the garage tomorrow and take some shots of it, or sometime soon. Thank you, Ollie.
No worries. You share my bed with me now.
Great. Right, we're tired. We're going home. Have a nice goodbye. Thanks for watching. Exoracing for life, yo.
No.
Toodaloo. So it's the last day of wrapping.
Hi, Kim.
Everyone's here, and we thought we'd celebrate with a nice McDonald's. And so me and Matt have got nice chicken legend, Big Mac. We've got chicken legend, some chicken select, some chips, some dips, and Ollie's got a nice salad there.
How you getting on with your clean grass over there?
You've literally. There's nothing left. It's the bits of the burger that you don't want, innit? You just empty it out onto the side of the table.
Cool. In a bit. Bye, YouTube. Have a nice. I hope you're having a nice time at home on the sofa while it's late and it's raining. We're in a cold unit and we're having loads of fun.
What's up,